This is The Great Wave by Hokusai. Hokusai is a Japanese artist from the 1800s, and he drew this wave that depicted a wave coming off the coast of Japan and almost crashing on some fishermen. Now, if you look closely, you can see the long fishing boats. They're a bit hard to see, but what historians really think it was either a rogue wave coming off the coast of Japan or a tsunami. Now, what is a tsunami? A tsunami is a series of waves in a water body caused by displacement of a large volume of water, generally in an ocean. It can come from an earthquake or a volcanic eruption. So we are going to draw the Great Wave today and paint the Great Wave by Hokusai in inspiration of natural disasters that happen throughout the world, and we are excited to draw it. So follow along and see what you can do. Okay, today we're going to be learning and drawing the wave that I talked to you about. It's going to be a very big wave, and I'm going to show you how to start. Now, I always have my Sharpie because Sharpie is a lot easier for you guys to see on the camera, but you need to start with a pencil, okay? That is how you don't mess up. So my wave is going to be taking up a lot of the paper. So I'm going to start from the edge, and actually, just to be safe, I'm going to put a paper under my paper because I don't want to get Sharpie on this nice table. So here is my paper. I'm going to start from the top, and our wave is going to look like the picture. So it's going to take up a lot of the paper. So I'm going to go all the way up, not all the way to the very top, but maybe about a little over halfway. Okay, so I did a big curve and went in. Now I'm going to do a couple of more curves. So you know how waves have okay, it almost looks like a funny hand kind of grabbing. So that's how we're gonna start our wave. Now we're gonna come out and we're gonna make some more parts of the wave. So you're gonna come in here and let's go down. Let's come again and again. All right, and we're gonna go skinny. And it's gonna come up. All right, so there's some of our wave. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. I came out, came down, came up, came over, came up, and then my last one I kind of went up, how a wave kind of goes up. Now I'm gonna come inside a little bit and make some more sections. So let's start with the first line. I'm gonna come about to the bottom. You do not have to do this perfectly. I'm just gonna come on each line and make some more areas of our wave. All right, so there we go. So here's our wave, okay? We're ready to add some designs inside our wave. So I'm just going to show you, I'm gonna leave a couple of my sections of my wave blank, and I'll just be painting them one color. But I'm gonna come in and fill in some of our sections of our wave with some different designs. I'm actually going to do this design right here, and I'll show you how to do it in a lot of the area. But all you do is you come up, it's kind of like a little rainbow. And you're just gonna come and fill in anywhere you can. You can do the design going any way you want. Like I could come over here and do it sideways. There's no right or wrong with this. So I'm gonna fill in this whole section, and maybe this section with that design. And then the rest of it is going to be plain. All right, I have my designs, and now what I'm going to do is let's think of what colors waves in the ocean are. Think about it. It's blues and greens and variations of all those colors. So what I'm gonna do is where I did my designs, I'm going to color like white, blue, and I'll show you in the time lapse. And I will do that. And then these sections I will paint. If you don't have paint, don't use paint. You can use anything, but I'm gonna paint and I'm gonna be doing different greens and blues. So our whole picture is really gonna be greens and blues. It's gonna be really, really pretty. All right, I finished my coloring. As you can see, I did like green, white, and blue, white, blue, white. And now I'm gonna come in and paint some of my different sections, blues and greens. Now this is gonna be at night, so I'm gonna have my sky a pretty dark blue. And then I might add a little bit of browns here and there, but that's gonna be it. So here we go.